breakfast. Pancakes, Greek yogurt, banana, blueberry syrup and organic honey. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm set up here, ready to make some pancakes for breakfast. I'm just going to make the batter real quick. So I'd use an old egg cup, fire it in, give it a shake and off we go. So I'm just going to break in an egg. Sugar. Self-raising flour. And I have another little bit of baking powder here, just to give them an extra fluffiness. And some milk. I'll give that a shake and see what it looks like. Might be a bit thick, I'd say, but we'll give it a go. It's nice and thick. I can always add another little bit of milk later before I put them on the griddle if it's a little too thick, but that looks good. And for the blueberry syrup, I've got some defrosted frozen blueberries. Add some sugar. I'm also going to add a drop of water. I'm just going to pop the blueberries on the griddle there when it's warming up. They can simmer away there to stew. I'm actually going to pop my coffee on there as well. So, just going to spray with oil. And some beautiful organic honey. I'll stick a recipe in the description, guys. If you like what I do, give the video a like and consider subscribing. Thanks very much.